How to fix feedback required on Instagram. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of how to guide. When you open up your Instagram app and it gives you a notification that feedback is required. Now if you're also facing this issue, in this video I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can try out. Now the first thing that you can do is try to switch between networks. So if you're currently using your Wi-Fi or cellular data, try to switch between them. This is also a good way of fixing this issue. Now the second thing that you can do, if the first method does not work for you, is you can try connecting to a VPN. Connecting to a different server than the one that you're currently on can also help you to fix this issue. So you can download any free VPN onto your phone, or if you have also paid for some kind of VPN, you can also use that. The one I'm currently using is called Proton VPN. You can find this application and download it onto your phone. So try connecting to a VPN and try to see if this fixes the issue. If it still does not, then there could be a bug which may be causing the issue. So you can just uninstall the app of Facebook from your device. Uninstall the app of Facebook and again re-download and log into your account. Now once you tried out all of these things and you still can't fix your issue, this might be because Instagram is down. When Instagram servers are down, these kind of problems are likely gonna happen. So the only thing that you can do in this case is wait out a couple of hours before Instagram fixes the issue, and by then you should be able to work your Instagram without having any problems. So those are the couple of fixes that you can try out. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos just like this.